Alright, welcome to lesson 8. We're going to work with straight eighth notes today. Yesterday we were introduced to them in lesson 7, and in this lesson we're going to continue along that. We're going to play straight eighths, but instead today what's different in this lesson is that we're going to change chords instead of just playing a straight C chord through the whole time. And hopefully this will be a nice fresh challenge for you. Remember, we're going to strum down on the 1 on the end. We're going to come up, down on the 2, up on the end, down on the 3, up on the end, down on the 4, up on the end. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Let's go ahead and try this exercise with the metronome at 80 beats per minute. I'll count it off. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Pretty fun. So let's go ahead and try it a little faster at 92 beats per minute. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Now if you can say it in your mind or count along, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. It'll really help you. It's kind of like half the battle, and you know, if you're still concentrating on chords and chord changes, you're probably going to struggle with this part. But if you can count it, then you can play it. It's possible for you to play it. So if you need to practice your counting first, to kind of get your mind triggered into what we're trying to do here. Let's go ahead and try it one more time. I'll start off by counting it out, and then we'll go ahead and try to play it one last time. We'll start counting. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. And you don't have to count out loud, but I find it's beneficial to many people to count it out loud at first. You kind of get used to the idea. Eventually you'll just do it inside your head. Let's go ahead and try the exercise one last time before we get ready to move on to lesson 9. So let me count it off. 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 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 3 and 4 and. Pretty fun stuff. So keep practicing it until you get it down, and we'll see you in lesson 9.